It's Tuesday, the 28th of February, day 2 at Mobile World Congress 2017, and here are today's headlines. Samsung's risky voice over LTE network for Geo has paid off. Canonical is disrupting the mobile and IoT base station markets. NGMN is putting the car before 5G with a 5G Automotive Association deal. Aruba HPE says most businesses haven't got a clue about the meaning of IoT. Hello and welcome to Telecom TV from Mobile World Congress 2017. Geo went from 0 to 100 million subscribers in 170 days on its voice over LTE network by Samsung. And now it's looking forward to 5G and more cutting-edge technology.
Geo was certainly warned that they would need a 2G, 3G network in order to be able to support voice services, that VoLTE wasn't ready. But working together with Samsung, we were able to deploy an LTE-only network without the added expense of 2G and 3G services, and then work through all of the challenges of scaling VoLTE to a nationwide audience, to getting phones in market, and to be able to optimize the network to support the best HD voice experience.
The new software-based LimeNet base station from Lime Micro and Canonical is set to shake up the mobile industry for both cellular and IoT.
What's really disruptive about the LimeNet base station powered by Ubuntu Core is that it's a great example of how opening up the box allows software-based innovators to come in over the top and disrupt whole industries, but also to collaborate with each other and go much faster, which is fantastic.
LimeNet technology is based on commodity hardware and enables a lot of developers to come on board, a lot of suppliers come on board and democratize the wireless networks of the future. And essentially some of them will embrace the technology. It enables them to create these platforms, provide added services backed by a large community of developers out there. So it will enhance the kind of products they will give to the market. And I believe the winners in this are the ODMs that are today making the boxes for the operators.
The automotive industry is working with the NGMN in a deal that is designed to show both industry groups what 5G has to offer.
NGMN signed a cooperation agreement with 5GAA here at Mobile World Congress, and I think it's of utmost importance because automotive use cases, V2X applications are key applications for 5G and will be key applications for 5G. So we join forces as a global operator community, global operator vendor community together with 5GAA, with all the automotive players to drive standards forward, to give guidance, and also to initiate some testing in these areas. On the way to 5G from an end-to-end, from an NGMN perspective, it's of utmost important to look at the market requirement and the customer demand. Yeah? What is really needed and where should we focus on in the development of 5G? And we should, from a technology perspective, look at the whole system from an end-to-end perspective, not only looking at radio, but also looking at the whole system from end to end, and then following up on this development of 5G through testing and trials globally, a joint initiative of all operators, seeing what really the capabilities of the technology are, what are the challenges, and then following up with standardization with all the industry players to give guidance. In terms of services and use cases for 5G, from the NGMN perspective, we always said it has to serve different industries, have to serve the end customer, and we have to build a system which is flexible and capable enough to do all of this. Yeah, have to build a flexible platform. And this is still true. If you heard all the voices on the NGMN panel today from the global operators, it's really a diverse spectrum of applications and use cases per region. And the system, the final 5G system, has to serve all these needs.
An Aruba HPE study shows a lack of understanding on the exact meaning of IoT, which may be behind the reason that 84% of those that have rolled the tech out have already experienced a security breach.
Our study have shown that this unclarity around where the devices are, that IoT, what is IoT? It's a big word, right? So you know, we are definitely seeing in our study that customers are very unaware of what the IoT infrastructure actually is. And that gives them multiple challenges, not only on how to, do things in the future, how to set it up for the full benefit, but actually also for the security aspects of IoT. Security is a big topic for our customers, and definitely has an impact on how they are rolling out IoT, because security becomes a bigger and bigger point in their daily operations. How do they actually benefit from IoT at the same time as maintaining a secure infrastructure? And I think it's the underlying importance of security in an IoT world that is really troubling, and that's what we see in our study. I think first and foremost is understanding what is the IoT need for a customer, and then understanding it from a security first point of view. In Aruba, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise company, we have a very unique solution called ClearPass. That ClearPass solution is really about securing IoT, and I think with our solution we can help customers really benefiting not only from IoT in terms of devices connected to, but actually in a secure and administrative fashion.
That's it from Telecom TV for today, but be sure to check out our next daily news show from Wednesday at 6 p.m. for more of our exclusive coverage on Day 3 of Mobile World Congress. Thanks for watching and goodbye.